Hello. Go. Go. You're pretty chubby. You're pretty chubby. Don't look at me. Like a recreational one? This guy wants me to scratch his belly all day.
Yeah, they're good for that. I ain't never scratched my belly once. I've been working here for 4 fucking years.
No one scratches my belly.
I'm scared he's gonna bite me.
Nah, not if you scratch his belly. He's like a Buddha. You're like a Buddha. I don't know. This gives me good luck though.
Yeah, that's the boy one too. That's the one that will bite.
Oh,
I think.
it's nothing sexual.
Maybe that's mama. I think that's mama.
We're just friends. Oh, would you bite me? Oh, she's being good. You're being very good. You're being very good.
Clean me.
Hey, Randy. Hey, Randy. How much is that tank on top of the fat hedgehog thing?
And at the back side of the note, after it says, Heather, clean me, I'm going to say, thanks, Randy.
You're a prairie dog. You're a prairie dog. I could do this all day. He looks happy.